T3 Ops. Monitor, update, visual regression testing, quality assurance, documentation of updates. The overview gives you a bird's-eye view. Total clients, extensions in use, security issues, and core version distribution, all on one screen. Drill into any installation to see its extensions, core version, and health status. Filter and search across all your monitored sites. The updater shows every project with its deployment type, latest commit, and branch status. Filter by deployer or GitLab CI, search by name. Batch select and update them all at once. Open the workflow modal for step-by-step update instructions. The header instantly tells you the deployment type, deployer, or GitLab CI with readiness checks and pipeline status. Adding a new client takes seconds. A guided multi-step wizard walks you through domain, credentials, and import settings. No documentation needed. Professional onboarding, effortlessly simple. Stay informed without the noise. T3 Ops batches all alerts into one email. Security issues, client errors, outdated versions, sorted by severity. One scan, one email, zero inbox clutter. Here is what that email looks like. All alerts collected, grouped by severity, delivered as one message. Your inbox stays clean while nothing slips through. Every update automatically creates a Redmine ticket. All data is documented. What was done, when, and by whom. Full quality assurance and a complete audit trail. You can start updates directly from T3 Ops, but the preferred workflow is to copy the generated command and run it in your shell. Full control, maximum flexibility. Visual regression testing runs automatically. Random pages from news, events, and your sitemap are screenshotted before and after each update. The full report is stored in a hashed directory. Smoke tests check random links across the site, and 4 random pages get a Lighthouse audit. Performance issues are spotted fast. Built-in tools keep your operations smooth. Scheduled imports, database management, data import, all integrated into one interface. Full dark mode support for comfortable late-night deployments. Every view adapts seamlessly. T3 Ops. Monitoring, batch updates, visual regression testing, dual deployment, everything your agency needs. 578 hours saved per year for just 20 installations. Built by Web Consulting. Open source.